And welcome to the first fall vlog of 2024. I am so excited. It's actually a Saturday and I rarely vlog on the weekends, but I wanted to have a perfect little fall vlog, and today we are going to have a perfect little fall day. Okay, let me give you the rundown. It is 60 something degrees here in Nashville, Tennessee. Let me get it's 70 now, but it's only a high of 76 today and sunny. It is the most gorgeous weather, the coolest weather we've had yet since the summer. And my best friend Lucy is in town. I'll show her in a second. She came in for the week. And so it is just overall going to be like a perfect day. The weather, Saturday, we're going to Franklin, Tennessee, which is like 30 minutes south of Nashville, and it literally looks like Stars Hollow. Hallmark movies are filmed there. Like, it's just so quaint and cute. And so we are going to get fall coffees. We are going to do some little shopping around Main Street, and then we are going to a baseball game tonight, which is maybe a little bit more summer vibes, but it's going to be amazing with the weather. This, to me, like today, is the start of my fall. I got back from my beach trip at the beginning of September, like September 2nd, and I was like, all right, summer's over. It is time for fall. Got on a cute little fall fit as well, a little plaid skirt, this cardigan, cashmere cardigan that I got last year that is the comfiest thing I've ever owned. And yeah, we're gonna go to Franklin with Ashley, my roommate, Lucy, and then also my friend Nicole. And to give you a rundown, I'm so excited for all the fall content coming. I want to do, I don't know why I have my sunglasses on. I want to do a fall reset video where I'm going to talk about like my fall reading list, fall bucket list, decorating for fall. And then later this month, I'm actually going to Disney World with Ashley and Nicole, who you'll meet today, and then Bree. And we are going to be doing like Mickey's Halloween party. It is going to be very much like fall Halloween vibes in those vlogs. So I'm going to, of course, be doing my normal content on my YouTube channel, but I feel like this month and early October, I'm just going to amplify the fall content, and I'm very excited for that. We're also listening to folklore right now while we get ready, so I'm gonna put on some fall tunes when we get in the car. It's about time to start watching Gilmore Girls, and it's just gonna be a perfect day, and I'm excited to bring you. I'm here with Ashley, and look who's in the back. Back in town, we just parked. We're gonna go meet Nicole, and I'll show you downtown Franklin. So cute. Okay, we have our fall drinks. Okay, Lucy, what do you want to start with? Trying for the first time.
I'll start with... Do we need to mix this one up at all, or
no?
Leave it on the top. Okay, I'm gonna start with this one.
Don't mix it. Because the cold foam's the best part.
Okay.
All right.
Wait, that is really good.
Is it good? It's very sweet.
It's very sweet.
Pumpkin-y.
Pumpkin-y. Hold on.
Oh, also hi, Nicole.
Hi. You're like featuring Nicole.
Okay, now try this.
Okay, wait. I really like the cold foam on top of this.
Yeah.
What would you rate it?
This is our first time having cold foam ever.
But I can't taste
the coffee, or
yeah, you have to wait till it gets down a bit more.
What are you looking at?
I think I might like this.
That's what I thought. Yeah, you would like.
Yeah.
Because you know me so well. I like the stronger coffee taste, but I do get
This one's a stronger like pumpkin flavor, I feel
which
like.
I do
Yeah.
like.
Yeah.
But I think I'd want it. It's like cold and hot. Like,
Yeah, it's really good
like,
hot.
yeah.
And then what did you get, Nicole? What's
I
your
know, what was this?
the thing
This
that's
is
gone viral on TikTok?
Controversial drink. This is an iced mocha latte with toffee nut syrup and salted caramel cold foam.
Wow.
Jesus, do you want to try?
Yeah, no, you can have all
Ow! You try it. You try it.
So this is
I know, literally. I'm like, I've lived here.
Okay, wait. Gosh, let me.
We're sharing.
I haven't had this for a long time.
Okay, yeah.
So I'm gonna try it. I don't really remember what it tastes like.
Okay, yeah. I feel like
you like the
I feel like this one is
good.
better for like day-to-day drinking.
yeah.
Yes.
I have that. Yeah.
I love how natural you are. Yeah.
Well, I know because
I'm
your
sister.
So I think
My younger sister makes videos. Okay, so it's been a few days now. That was Saturday. It is now Tuesday, but this fall vlog is continuing because I'm going to be on my own today. I won't have my friends with me like I did on Saturday, but I am heading into, first off, Trader Joe's because I need to grocery shop for the week, get a few things. I'm not here for the full week, but I also wanted to see what fall items they have because I hear that they have fall items back and I need to get like pumpkin creamer, get in that mood and everything. And then we're going to go to Target and I have, of course, just some things and errands I need to run and things I need to get there. But I'm also going to look at their fall home decor, just get an idea. Maybe also later today we'll go to TJ Maxx. It's like on the other side of town, but if I can make it over there after work, maybe we'll do that. And then, but after Target, I want to go to At Home because that's over here. And I hear that they have the Anthropologie glass cup dupes. I actually have the Anthropologie pumpkin ones. They're my favorite cups ever. But I just wanted to take a little look, see what else they have, and just continue these fall vibes for you guys. I love that this vlog is seriously just fall focused. I'm not showing you my work day, not showing you maybe how stressed I am over this week. I am just showing you guys the fun little fall parts of my day. So yeah, we're gonna keep the vibes positive and high in this vlog, and hopefully it inspires you to get in the fall spirit, the autumn spirit, and yeah, let's go in Trader Joe's and see what they have. I do see pumpkins outside. The pumpkins are outside. I did not make it to At Home. I just decided I needed to come back home and get started working, but I am going to put on some fall ambiance while I film, and I'm filming something fun. I'm filming some fall recipe content for my part-time job, Be Amazing. Their protein powder I'm putting into fall recipes. So I'm going to show you guys that. We're going to be making some pumpkin bread, protein pumpkin bread, maybe a apple pie protein shake, maybe some energy bites. I kind of got to see what all I'm gonna make, but first let's put on some fall ambiance. What do we want? Cozy. I'm also washing these pumpkins that I got at Trader Joe's because this one especially was really dirty, so I'm hoping I can wash that. And defrosting some ground beef for dinner. I'm gonna make such a perfect fall dinner. I can't wait to show you guys. But then this is a candle I'm cleaning out to use as a new like toothbrush holder. So yeah, we got some things working on in the sink. We're stirring in our chocolate chips, folding in, I should say. Okay, it is looking pretty good actually. This is the first time ever cooking with protein powder, honestly, but it looks really good. I'm hoping it's gonna rise a good amount, but I'm very hopeful this is going to turn out good. I think I'm just gonna put a few more chocolate chips on top to make it look spectacular, and then it's going in the oven. Here is our finished pumpkin bread. Sorry, my dishwasher's going, but it turned out so good. It looks really great. I'm actually like so impressed. I had no idea how it was gonna turn out. Now I'm gonna slice into it and we're gonna see how it tastes. Taste test. Wait. It is so moist and light and fluffy. It's also not like a super strong pumpkin flavor, so if pumpkin's not your favorite flavor, I think you're still really gonna like this. That's delicious. That had a lot of ingredients, so I'm so glad that was not a waste of ingredients. A little later in the afternoon, I'm finishing up work and wanted to run into TJ Maxx before I went home because my friend Brianna, she found these little ghost tapered candles that were so cute, and I'm gonna start decorating tomorrow. It's gonna be in my fall reset video. I don't know which one's going up first, but I just wanna see if there's any little last things that I may need before I film that tomorrow. So let's run to TJ Maxx. I'm not seeing them. These are really cute though, this brand, Martha Stewart Home. They have a few things from. They're cute. I didn't find the exact one she had, but I did find a bunch. I'm kind of deciding between these, the pumpkins. These ghosts, I kind of like these little ones. I'm home now and we are going to set the perfect mood for the evening. I'm going to officially start my Gilmore Girls rewatch. I think this may be my 3rd or 4th year rewatching Gilmore Girls in the fall. I don't get through the whole season, obviously. I usually get through like season 4 by the time, maybe 3 to 4 before I stop for Christmas stuff. And then sometimes in January, I pick it back up. Like last year, January, February, like those cold months, I just wanted something cozy. So I kept watching Gilmore Girls, and I got through like halfway through Rory's college, but we all know the first 4 seasons are the best. Once she gets to college, I don't think it's as good. So we're gonna put that on, and I'm going to make lasagna soup. I learned how to make this last year, and it was so delicious, and I've been really craving like a soup, something hearty but warm. So I'm so excited to make this for dinner. How literally it has on my Netflix, my next watch is Gilmore Girls. Yeah, in January I got to season 6 episode 2, but we are going to go down. Oh, I almost finished it. I only had 2 seasons to go, but we're gonna restart. I don't even know how many times I've seen these first few episodes, maybe like 6 or 7 times, probably more, honestly. Oh, it's just so good. Maybe gonna light a candle and just set the vibes for cooking this evening, like one of my favorite parts of the day.